forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, very spring-like today. We did reach the low 60s for this afternoon. In fact, still in the low 60s for some parts of the area. But our temperatures are falling fast as a cold front sits over top of us right now and makes its way through the area. So we still have those gusty winds, and we do have the cooler air on the way with some scattered rain showers. Pretty gloomy out there this hour. 55 degrees, so we are cooling down fast with mostly cloudy skies. And we are looking at the winds out of the west-northwest already shifting at 14 miles an hour, gusting up to 22-25 miles an hour. Here's where you can see the dividing line, and it is over top of the viewing area now. You can see the blue and the green ahead of it, so that's exactly where the cold front is this hour. 61 degrees, we were just there about an hour ago, already cooling down to 55 degrees. Look what's headed in our direction, in the upper 40s already for parts of Illinois and the upper Midwest. So much cooler air behind that cold front. We'll definitely see that big change tonight, overnight, and into tomorrow morning. Get those winter coats back out, bundle up for the bus stop because it will be a cold one. We'll be in the 30s tomorrow morning, so we're still on this roller coaster ride weather-wise. Wind gusts, we are still seeing the winds gusting up to around 29 miles an hour here in the greater Lafayette area, calming down just a bit to the behind that cold front, but it's still going to be brisk. Here's what's happening with the rain showers. We do have the scattered rain now pushing through, and you can see we've got some heavier pockets there as we zoom in across the area, but they're quick moving, and we do expect this cold front to be out of here by late tonight, and we'll see an end to the rain, and we are expecting the rainfall amounts to be less than a half of an inch. Look at tomorrow's highs. Today in the low 60s, tomorrow only in the low 40s. So it is going to be brisk and cold, but at least we will see some sunshine. So this will be moving out rather quickly. We'll have some clear skies, and we will have mostly sunny skies. That will help to at least make us think it's warmer than what it is. Here's what's happening on Futurecast. 6 o'clock this evening, we are looking at the scattered showers, some heavier pockets moving through, still a brisk wind across the area. For Wednesday, 10 o'clock here tonight, looks like most of that will be out of the area. Still maybe a little bit of rain behind that cold front. Most of that's going to be to the south and moving into Indianapolis. But after midnight, we should all be dry, and those temperatures will be cooling down. By 7 a.m., we are looking at a brisk northwest wind with that cold air. At least it will be dry, clearing out a cold day with the sunshine. And it looks like that's going to be the trend for the rest of the week, even into the weekend. In fact, we're talking about a storm system late in the weekend into early next week. We could have the coldest air of the season so far with a few snowflakes once again. That's going to be into early next week. Rainfall amounts with this cold front by tomorrow, we're looking at it's going to be very light to possibly less than a half of an inch for areas. You can see here, the farther south you go, the more rain. North here, we're looking at some less rainfall amounts. So not looking too bad there. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast then. We are looking at 42 degrees for tomorrow's high. That is it. Mostly sunny though. Still some winds around, and then calming down for Friday, staying in the 40s with sunshine. Even Saturday, partly cloudy skies, warming up just a bit. 47, 50 on Sunday. Chance for some rain showers. Could mix in or switch over to snow a little bit on Monday as that next system moves through, but that's really going to cool us off. Only in the 30s next week, and at night in the 20s. So we do have much cooler air on the way as we get into next week.